yesterday we were able to catch this sell, and today we'll be looking for how to be able to catch a buy on gold. As we all know, gold is very bullish. Gold is very bullish, and I'll be looking for more buys than sell. So what I'll be doing is I'll be waiting for price here. Price has given us this double top, but I'm more interested in the buys on gold than selling gold. So from the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, price has given a double top here, but like I said, I'm more interested in buys because you can see the kind of buy momentum gold has been giving out for the past how many weeks. So how do I join this trade? From the 1-hour time frame, this is the other block here that I'll be waiting for gold to come in. Let's refine to the 30 minutes time frame, and let's refine to the 15 minutes. So if gold should come to this zone, let's go to our 5 minutes first. From our 5 minutes, we have this break of structure here. This is the last break of structure from gold from the 5 minutes time frame. So what I'll be expecting, if gold can come into this zone, giving me a confirmation, then I'm going to look for buy. I'm going to look for buys, targeting my 1:2. This is going to be my IDM. Where I'm expecting gold to sweep liquidity. Then this is what I'll be waiting for gold here. If I can get, then I target my 1:2. This is going to be my I target my 1:2 here. So this is my own analysis on gold for today. This is what I'm targeting on gold for today. Let's quickly go to GBPUSD. Same scenario, because these are continuational trend. If this market plays out, this is what I'll be watching out for. 30 minutes refine. Because I'm actually watching for a sell. On GU, because we've done this analysis before, but this is just a counter trade. If I want to catch this counter trade first for this buy that is about to dish out before the sell, this is for the counter trade. This is the last break of structure from the 5 minutes time frame. Then you can actually wait for price here. You can wait for price to come back to this zone here. You can target your 1:2. Please wait for confirmation before you hop in. Then you can wait for the sell. Then how do we join the sell on this trade? Since GBPUSD has given us a 1-hour market structure shift, because all of these analysis we did them in our previous video, so you can go there to watch, so you can understand how you're able to catch all of this move. So this is a 1-hour structure, a market structure shift. So we are waiting for a retest. I'll be waiting for GBPUSD to come to this zone. Sometimes it can use the breaker block. Sometimes it can use imbalance. Sometimes it can use other block. But in this scenario, I'll be waiting it to get to its imbalance. I'm not using the breaker block. I'm going to use the imbalance for my entry. So if I should get to this zone, I'll be using here as my IDM. Let me clear off this thing here. I'll be using here as my IDM. The price is going to use to sweep liquidity, so I'm just going to wait patiently. Just going to wait patiently for price to come here, while my stop loss will be above this zone in case price still decide to use the other block, because sometimes GBPUSD can just tap to the FVG and start running. So this is where I'm going to be waiting for this trade here. This is the other block here. This is the other block here. So this is how I'm going to be waiting for this trade. I'm going to wait at this FVG mostly, then my stop loss will be above. Then I'll still target my 1:2. Okay, see, this is 1:2, or I can target this low. I can just target this low, 1:4. Then this is how I'm just gonna wait for the trade on this thing on GBPUSD. So if you want to catch this buy, be careful. And if you want to catch this sell, also wait for confirmation. Please always wait for confirmation. Don't jump into trade blindly. Always wait for confirmation. Then for BTC, this is what I'm expecting on BTC. If price respects my analysis, this is the last break of structure from the 4-hour time frame. This is the other block from the 30 minutes. I'll be using this instead. That doesn't mean price will not respect. Price can decide to come to this other block here and start pushing to the upside, but I'm not going to wait for price here. I'm going to wait for price at this last other block. So this is where I'm going to wait for price. Once I get my confirmation, then I'm going to look for buy to this next zone. Alright guys, this is what I have for today analysis. Please always wait for confirmation. Don't just jump into the trade blindly. Don't allow FOMO to make you lose money. Alright, thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.